In today's video, I'll show you how to embed a Natal Transit widget on your Wix website using Divine API. This is a great way to provide personalized astrological insights to your visitors. I'll walk you through each step, so make sure to follow along. Let's get started. First, log into your Wix account by visiting wix.com and entering your user credentials. Once you're logged in, locate the top bar drop-down menu. If you have multiple projects, select the website where you want to add the Natal Transit widget. This step is crucial to ensure that you are making changes to the correct site. Next, you need to authorize your website in Divine API to ensure the widget functions properly. Open your Wix dashboard and click on Home. Copy your website URL from the top bar. Now, open Divine API. If you are new, you can sign up for a 7-day free trial, or else log in with your user credentials. Once inside, go to the website authorization section, paste your website URL, and click on Save. This step is necessary because without authorization, the widget will not work on your site. Now, go back to your Wix dashboard and click on Edit Site to open the Wix website editor. Once the editor is open, click on Add section. Then, click on Add New Element. A left menu sidebar will open. On the left sidebar, hover over Embed code, and then select Embed HTML. A pop-up named HTML Settings will appear. This section will serve as the dedicated space where your Natal Transit widget code will be placed. When the HTML settings pop-up appears, choose website address as the content type. Now, head over to the Divine API dashboard. Navigate to Widget, then Western Astrology, and select Natal Transit. Copy the Wix website address provided by Divine API. Go back to the Wix editor and paste the copied address into the website address box. Then click on Apply. You should now see the Natal Transit widget appear on your page. Once it is visible, close the pop-up and proceed to the next step. For a step-by-step guide on customizing the Natal Transit widget, check out our dedicated tutorial linked in the video description. After adding the widget, it is important to adjust its size and position to ensure it fits well within your website layout. Move the section to a suitable place on your page so that it blends naturally with other content. Manually resize the widget by adjusting its width and height. If necessary, adjust the section itself for better alignment. This process may take some time, so be patient and make precise adjustments. Click on Switch to Mobile View to check how the widget appears on smaller screens. If needed, make further refinements to provide the best experience for mobile users. A well-positioned and properly resized widget enhances the overall user experience and gives your site a more professional look. Before making the widget live, click on Preview to check how it appears on your site. Ensure that everything is aligned correctly and functions as expected. If you are satisfied with the placement, click on Publish to make the widget live. A confirmation pop-up will appear, and you can click on View Site to see the final version. Once published, visitors will be able to access their Natal Transit insights directly from your website without any issues. And that's it. You've successfully installed and set up the Natal Transit widget on your Wix website using Divine API. Your visitors can now enjoy real-time astrological insights right on your site. If you have any questions or need assistance, our support team is available via live chat or email at admin@divineapi.com. Thanks for watching and happy customizing.